Are you looking for some cool home decor items that will make your place look amazing? In this video, I'm sharing with you the top items to buy to upgrade any room. Hello everyone and welcome to snapreads. People constantly ask how they can upgrade any space without breaking the bank. Well, today, we're taking you on a journey to find the top picks and show you exactly how to choose the perfect home decor for your space. Let's get started. Benefits of incorporating cool home decor items. Having cool home decor items not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your living spaces but also offers several benefits. Firstly, these items can create a positive and welcoming ambience, making your home a more inviting place for family and friends. Secondly, they can reflect your personal style and help you express your individuality. Lastly, well-designed decor items can improve the functionality of your space by providing storage solutions or optimizing organization. Popular trends in home decor. Before diving into our must-have cool home decor items, let's take a quick look at some popular trends in home decor. One of the most prominent trends is the use of natural materials such as wood, rattan, and jute. These materials bring warmth and texture to any space and create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Another trend is the incorporation of bold colors and patterns, adding a fun and playful touch to your home. From vibrant geometric prints to tropical-inspired motifs, the possibilities are endless. Additionally, minimalism continues to be a popular choice, with clean lines and clutter-free spaces taking center stage. Must-have cool home decor items for the living room. The living room is often the focal point of a home, and it's essential to choose decor items that reflect your personal style while creating a comfortable and functional space. One must-have item is a statement rug. A large, eye-catching rug can anchor the room and tie all the elements together. Another essential decor item is a stylish coffee table. Opt for a unique design that complements your existing furniture and provides ample storage for books and magazines. Additionally, consider adding decorative throw pillows and cozy blankets to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Transforming your bedroom with cool home decor items. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind after a long day. To transform your bedroom into a stylish and serene space, consider investing in a high-quality bed frame. Choose a design that suits your taste, whether it's a sleek and modern platform bed or a rustic wooden frame. Another essential decor item for the bedroom is a luxurious bedding set. Opt for soft, breathable fabrics that add a touch of luxury to your sleep experience. Lastly, don't forget to add some mood lighting. From elegant bedside table lamps to statement pendant lights, lighting can make a significant impact on the overall ambience of your bedroom. Cool decor ideas for the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen and dining area are often the heart of the home, where families gather to share meals and create memories. To make these spaces more inviting, consider adding some cool decor items. One trendy option is open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with floating shelves to display your favorite dishes, glassware, and cookbooks. Another cool decor idea is to incorporate a statement lighting fixture above your dining table. Whether it's a modern chandelier or a unique pendant light, lighting can create a focal point and set the mood for intimate dinners or lively gatherings. Lastly, consider adding a vibrant rug or runner to add a pop of color and personality to your kitchen. Enhancing your workspace with cool home decor items. Whether you work from home or have a dedicated space for studying and creative pursuits, your workspace should inspire productivity and creativity. Incorporating cool home decor items can help create a stimulating and organized environment. One must-have item is a comfortable and ergonomic chair. Opt for a design that provides proper support for your back and promotes good posture. Another essential decor item is a desk organizer. From stylish pen holders to file organizers, these items will keep your workspace clutter-free and help you stay focused. Lastly, don't forget to add some inspirational artwork or motivational quotes to keep you motivated throughout the day. Outdoor decor ideas for transforming your patio or garden. Don't neglect your outdoor spaces when it comes to cool home decor items. Transform your patio or garden into a relaxing oasis with a few simple additions. One must-have item is outdoor seating. Whether it's a cozy lounge chair or a stylish dining set, comfortable seating will encourage you to spend more time outdoors. Another cool decor idea is to incorporate plants and greenery. From potted plants to hanging planters, adding a touch of nature will bring life and freshness to your outdoor space. Lastly, consider adding some decorative lighting, such as string lights or lanterns, to create a warm and inviting ambience for evening gatherings. Where to buy cool home decor items? Now that you have an idea of the must-have cool home decor items for each space, you may be wondering where to find them. Fortunately, there are several options to explore. Online marketplaces such as Amazon, Wayfair, and Etsy offer a wide range of home decor items, allowing you to browse and purchase from the comfort of your own home. Additionally, local home decor stores and boutiques may carry unique and handcrafted items that can add a personal touch to your space. Don't forget to check out flea markets and thrift stores for hidden gems and affordable finds. How to choose the right cool home decor items for your space? With so many options available, choosing the right cool home decor items can be overwhelming. To make the selection process easier, consider the following factors. Firstly, consider the size and layout of your space. Choose decor items that complement the proportions of your room and don't overwhelm the space. Secondly, consider your personal style and aesthetic preferences. Whether you prefer a minimalist, bohemian, or eclectic look, select items that align with your taste. Lastly, consider the functionality of the decor items. Choose pieces that serve a purpose while adding visual interest to your space. Incorporating must-have cool home decor items can transform your space into a stylish and inviting haven. From statement rugs to functional storage solutions, there are endless possibilities to enhance every room in your home. By embracing your unique style and carefully curating your decor, you can create a space that reflects your personality and brings joy and comfort to your everyday life. So, don't hesitate to explore the world of cool home decor and embark on a journey to transform your space into a personalized sanctuary.